What's up, guys? What's going on? So I'm back with another video. It's been a while since I posted. You guys been asking for content. Unfortunately, I'm not going to say unfortunately. Fortunately, I've been super busy and I haven't got to get around to getting you guys more content. But here we are, another tractor video using the BackHOE 40-3500. Okay, and today we're going to be using the BackHOE. One guy posted in the comment section, he said that BackHOE wasn't good for nothing but digging up sand on the beach, and I'm going to prove to you that that's super wrong. And actually, if you guys check out my community post where I post pictures, I'm going to be posting some pictures of trenches that I actually used this BackHOE for. So today we're going to get started, and we're going to be digging a hole in the ground where this woman wants to put a little I'm not going to say a pond, but a little fountain. So we're going to get started. We're going to get this bad boy unloaded, and stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we go. We're going to be digging right here. It's a small circle, almost an oval shape, and we're going to be digging 3 feet deep, and then around it we're going to cut, I want to say about a foot. We're going to cut about a foot because the way the spring is shaped, it has about a foot of overlap on the edges of it. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And once again, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to keep putting out more content, and I do appreciate it. Thank you guys. I ended up landing this job from Facebook Marketplace, just posting my services there. Of course, you know, you're not supposed to post services, they don't allow it, but you know, it's still a way to post your service there. I usually do like tractor. I would put tractor, and then I would put tractor work, you know, something like that, or tractor with BackHOE. And then in the description I will put that, hey, it's kind of a service, you know, and then I'll put like 125. That way people don't actually think I'm selling a tractor. I'm not going to post tractor with BackHOE for like 30,000, because then, you know, people think that you're selling it. Most people, a lot of people go on Facebook looking for services, because I actually do.
marketplace looking for services. So that's one way you can get out there. I mean, I recently landed a job doing like 4 acres of land clearing. I'm gonna be posting that video here pretty soon. But I landed that job just by posting bandit signs, on the side of the highway, on the side of the roads, land clearing with my number there. And I've been getting stuff grinding jobs, land clearing jobs, but a lot of my work comes from Facebook, just running marketing, running ads and stuff like that. So it's plenty of ways to get work. But so far this tractor has been doing really good. It's one thing I don't like about it, especially during the summer. I didn't notice it during the winter because it wasn't bothersome. But during the summer, that exhaust, the heat exhaust from the tractor, it really blows right back on your leg, like your bottom right leg, and it starts to blow up towards your torso area. And man, it gets so hot. I mean, that's one thing I don't like about that. I mean, it's good for the winter because it keeps you warm, but during the summer, man, it's gruesome, man. It's horrible.
Alright, so wrapping it up, guys, there you have it. 3-foot hole by the BackHOE. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe as well.